Hi, everyone. How are you? In this video I will tell you about myself. You will learn a lot of things from me. My name is Carrot. My scientific name is Daucus carota. I belong to the Apiaceae family, which also includes parsley, celery, and parsnips. I am a root vegetable that is typically orange in color, but I can also be found in purple, yellow, white, and red varieties. The name carrot comes from the Greek word keraton, meaning horn. My orange color comes from beta-carotene, a pigment that is converted into vitamin A in the body. I originated in Central Asia, Iran, Afghanistan, Uzbekistan as a root crop. I've since spread worldwide. China and Uzbekistan are the top producers of carrots. There are several different types of carrots, each with its own unique characteristics and appearance. Some of my common types are Danvers carrots. Danvers carrots are a classic and widely popular variety. They have a conical shape with a broad shoulder and tapering tip. They are known for their excellent flavor, versatility in cooking, and ability to store well. Nance carrots. Nance carrots are a favorite among home gardeners and consumers. They have a cylindrical shape, smooth skin, and a sweet, crisp flesh. Nance carrots are ideal for fresh eating, juicing, and cooking. Baby carrots. Baby carrots are small and tender carrots that are harvested when young. They are popular for their convenience and mild flavor. Baby carrots are often eaten raw as snacks, added to salads, or used in vegetable platters. Purple carrots. Cosmic purple carrots are visually striking, with their deep purple skin and vibrant orange interior. They have a slightly sweet and earthy flavor. These purple carrots are favored for their unique appearance and nutritional benefits. Bolero carrots. Bolero carrots are a hybrid variety, known for their sweetness and reliability. They have a smooth texture, vibrant orange color, and are resistant to cracking. Bolero carrots are widely grown for their flavor and consistent performance. Thumbelina carrots. Thumbelina carrots are small, round carrots that resemble small radishes. They have a tender, sweet flavor and a crisp texture. Thumbelina carrots are popular for their size and are suitable for growing in containers or shallow soil. Imperator carrots. Imperator carrots are a long and slender variety that can grow up to 12 inches in length. They have a sweet flavor, smooth texture, and are commonly used in cooking, juicing, and as fresh snacks. Chantenay carrots. Chantenay carrots are shorter and broader than Nance carrots, with a rounded tip. They are known for their crisp texture and sweet flavor. Heirloom carrots. Heirloom carrots refer to varieties that have been passed down through generations, often with unique shapes, colors, and flavors. They come in a wide range of colors, including white, yellow, purple, and red. I'm rich in vitamin A, good for your eyes. I boost your immune system with antioxidants. I support a healthy heart with fiber and potassium. I aid digestion and prevent constipation. I promote healthy skin and a glowing complexion. I assist in weight management with low calories and high fiber. I improve oral health by stimulating saliva production. I support brain health and reduce inflammation. I aid in detoxification and elimination of toxins. Eating raw carrots can help clean and stimulate your teeth and gums. The natural fibers in me act as a natural toothbrush, helping to remove plaque and food particles. Cooked carrots are better for you than eating carrots raw. The largest carrot ever recorded weighed over 22 pounds. My tops will eventually form pretty little white flowers that will produce seeds. You can collect these seeds for next year's garden. My juice is a popular beverage known for its refreshing and hydrating properties. I am a cool season crop grown in spring. I am celebrated on April 4th, known as International Carrot Day. I am often used as an ingredient in desserts, such as carrot cake and carrot muffins. I am versatile and can be enjoyed in various ways, including raw in salads and various recipes. If you liked the video, please like, subscribe, comment, and share it.